few years ago, I was helping Premnidhi Prabhu write a book. So I was doing research on reincarnation for that book. And I met and spoke to Deep Kapadia. Very interesting story of this young boy. So Gaur Gopal Prabhu was giving a Journey of Self-Discovery course and he was speaking on reincarnation. And this young boy was a college student, he raised his hand. And he said, I am a case of reincarnation. So everyone thought, what happened to him? Is he trying to get attention? Is he trying to create some sensation? So we kind of ignored him. We didn't give him so much bhav. And he understood that people don't believe me. So the next day when he came for the course, he bought all newspaper cuttings of all the proofs which established that he is a reincarnation case. So years later, almost 18 years later, I got a chance to meet him. I called him. We spoke in length. We interviewed him. And what a story. So he was born in a Pakka Gujarati family in Borivali in 1979. And when he was 10 months old, he started speaking and fumbling in Marwadi language. And his parents spoke Gujarati. So they were wondering, Marwadi kaise bol raha hai? And then when he was 2 years old, he spoke fluently Gujarati, Marwadi, Hindi, and one more language. 4 languages he was speaking fluently at the age of 2. And parents were shocked. So I went to their family doctor, Dr. Kenny, and he said, your child has the IQ of a 10-year-old boy. He's 2 years. And then he kept saying, I want to go to Udaipur. They said, Udaipur kyun jana hai? So then they went to Dr. Ramakant Mehtani, who was considered as one of the greatest parapsychologists in Mumbai at that time. And he saw the boy, he heard all the things, he said, this boy is definitely a case of reincarnation. Let us investigate, let us take him to Udaipur and see. And immediately the news spread and Mr. Bharat Gelani from the Chitralekha magazine, Gujarati magazine, he came, he said, I will accompany you, I will cover this whole story. And Dr. Ramakant, he contacted Dr. Ian Stevenson, who is very famous for conducting research on reincarnation. And his entire team from America, they came. They said, we will also accompany this child and see what happens. For this 2.5-year-old child, he is taking the whole family to Udaipur. So they said that we are going to Srinathji temple and on the way is Udaipur. Like that they said, and they didn't tell the boy that we are going to Udaipur. So they took, and when the bus reached Udaipur, which is before they reached Srinathji temple, the child automatically got on the bus and he said, come with me. And he took the whole family and the team to different places in Udaipur, and he said, this is Fateh Memorial, this is Victoria Stand, this is the City Palace. And everyone was shocked. And he said, now I'll take you to my old house. And he took them to the house, and there was one big man standing, and he said, he is my son. So this 2-year-old boy is saying that this big man is my son. So everyone was shocked. And then they told this man that, this is your father of the past life. So that man immediately said, this is a bizarre plot to get my property. So he said, I don't know this. And then some of the friends were there. They said, no, but wait. Iska chehra, aapka chehra, bahut milta hai. There is some similarity. And your sister face like that only, it looks so like that. They started talking. So then he became emotional also. And he was suspicious also. Kya emotions hoga andar dekho. And then it was an amazing, curious, funny sight. This big man was taking a 2-year-old son in his arms. The son was carrying the father. And they were going through the whole city of Udaipur. The whole incident was covered in Chitralekha magazine. And then this child took them to the city museum and the city palace, and he told the security guards that there are 5 kerosene run fans here. They said, aisa kuch nahi hai. They were new security guards, they did not know, and the child knew where it is hidden, where it is kept. And then he saw a big portrait in the palace. He said, behind this portrait is a secret passage to escape. And everything the child was saying, it was proved right. And then he showed one secret passage which has a lot of filled with snakes, which is an escape route. So like that, he was revealing many things, and all the city palace security guards were shocked. How does this 2.5-year-old child know all this? And then he revealed more. He said, 3 years ago I was murdered. I was Pannalal Agarwal. I was the chief security officer of this palace. And I was very close to Maharana Fateh Singh, who was the 44th descendant of Maharana Pratap Singh. And he was poisoned and he was killed. Next day, he was on the headlines of all newspapers, magazines. Dalai Lama came to visit him, Oxford came to visit him, Dr. Ian Stevenson came. He was a sensation. So I was talking to him all these stories, he was telling me. And then he told me an interesting thing, that it took me 10 years I was struggling with this different role and identity. And slowly by Krishna's mercy, the old memory started going and he could readjust to his present body and present families. Krishna is so kind. He makes us forget our last life. Otherwise, we'll not be able to enjoy this life. So the point I'm trying to say, why this story I narrated, is to explain how our life is a big journey. And all the suffering we go through in different lifetimes is just a fleeting thing.